She was horrified to find that even in one of the top 5 companies, there is so much of politics and bias. Initially, when she got a mega job in this company, she thought all her problems are over. She didn't know there would be a lot of politics and bias against women there as well. I was saddened to hear that she wasn't prepared, believing that it's one of the best companies. I've heard hundreds of women sharing how they failed because of these kind of politics and bias. However, at Iron Lady community, using the art of winning methodologies, thousands of women have dealt with the biggest challenges and started empowering other women around as well to stand up for themselves and take charge. I am proud of being part of Iron Lady community. If you are someone who wants to take charge of your life and start moving towards winning, join Iron Lady Masterclass today.